I think Italy is kind of specializing in this, in new technology, sustainable innovation. We are becoming more of a pole of excellence when it comes to innovation and technology. Today is also representing green, sustainable, eco-friendly. It's a new generation. I think we feel we know how to make beautiful stuff. I think we now have to make it better. Quality is no longer just aesthetics or performance, is also how clean, how healthy, how you impact the environment.
So one of the best things I've seen recently is Lenzing's TENCEL with Refiber technology. It's one of the coolest things that I think most people don't know about, is that you can actually sustainably harvest wood from trees, turn it into chips. I mean, it's incredible. Then basically convert that into a pulp, and that into basically a cellulose fiber that can be combined and turned into yarn.
Yes.
The Refiber technology adds a whole nother dimension to that, in the sense that you basically then can take post-industrial scrap and convert that back in. So you create this fully sustainable opportunity. Can you walk me through how important that is to your sustainability efforts and the types of denim that you're making now?
It's really important. I mean, in a way, when we talk about recycling materials, which is more and more important, when it comes to fibers, this is the most advanced technology. So the way that Lenzing managed to engineer such a specific technology in order to go from textile scraps to new cellulosic fiber is genius. Last year we came up with a new fabric we call the Regen, which is made with our scraps and Refibra, so it's made with scraps. Low impact fibers. Those fibers are very unique and truly sustainable because of the strength, but at the same time because of the softness that TENCEL or Refibra gives you at the end of the spinning, at the end of the weaving. You have a different product. Water-free. There's no water involved in this whole process, and we were able to create new yarns, new fabric without using virgin cotton. You would never say it's recycled stuff. It's actually a super premium fabric, and it worked because of the technology.
Clearly, sustainability is a huge mission for Candiani. And when we're thinking about the greater good of the denim industry, and we're thinking about brands like ours at 3x1 that are using this, do you see that over the next 5 to 10 years, this type of Refiber technology using TENCEL is going to be just a game changer for the way the world sees denim?
I think it has been a game changer already. It's going to grow. It will keep growing. For us, thank God we don't produce enough scraps to make such a big production. Actually, the idea is to run out of scraps by making this product, and it's happening. When you mentioned the future, I mean, this is probably for the first time, this is proving that a fully regenerated fabric can be nicer than the normal one. Yeah. So the future will be made more and more of regenerated and recycled materials, but you will not see the difference. Actually, you will see beautiful product. And this is the big difference, because in the past, when we used to work with recycled fibers and recycled materials, the product was not that good. Yeah. It wasn't looking great. And again, for the first time, we made something which is special. We made a special fabric out of our scraps, and thanks to Refibra, of course.
It's really incredible. I mean, I'm wearing TENCEL right now, and it's one of those things that 5, 6 years ago, I couldn't even imagine myself actually embracing, enjoying wearing, or feeling like it felt like an authentic, very cool denim. And so I've seen it personally change for me, but also, looking at something like this and how beautiful this product is and the hand feel, and thinking about it as being something that's coming from the sustainable place and something that actually is repurposing or reusing some material that would otherwise be converted into something totally different. It's just phenomenal. And I think it's the best manifestation of your sustainability efforts so far is being able to make a product that's beautiful.
No, thank you.